Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture of mathematics ninth class. Today I am discussing with you introduction to coordinate geometry. Let's start. The first question we have: distance between points 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1 is. So the distance between these 2 points is square root 2. And how do I know that? We subtract the two numbers, 1 minus 0, then take the square of the numbers. 1 minus 0 whole square plus this one minus 0 whole square, and taking the square root sign and writing all the numbers in the square root sign. 1 minus 0 square means 1 square, 1 square equals 1, 1 minus 0 squares mean 1 square, 1 square equals 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and all this is in the radical sign, so the answer is square root 2. यानी कि ये दो नंबर हैं हमारे पास, दो पॉइंट हैं और इनका हमने डिस्टेंस मालूम करना है। तो डिस्टेंस मालूम करने के लिए फर्स्ट पहले कोऑर्डिनेट को पहले कोऑर्डिनेट में से माइनस करते हैं, जो आंसर है उसका स्क्वायर ले लेते हैं। यानी 1 में से 0 माइनस करेंगे तो 1 आएगा, और 1 का स्क्वायर भी 1 होता है। और उसके बाद सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट को सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट से माइनस कर देंगे, तो इन दोनों को माइनस करने से यानी 1 में से 0 माइनस करेंगे 1 आएगा, उसका स्क्वायर लेंगे तो वो भी 1 आएगा। तो 1 प्लस 1 2 हो गया। तो ये सब कुछ स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर है, लिहाजा ये हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है जी, मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द पॉइंट्स 2, -2 एंड -2, 2 इज़। इन दोनों का मिड पॉइंट निकालना है। तो मिड पॉइंट में ये नंबर जो हैं वो ऐड हो जाते हैं। तो 2 में -2 को ऐड करें तो ये तो 0 ही आ जाएगा। यानी इन नंबर्स को ऐड करके 2 पर डिवाइड करते हैं, यानी 2 - 2/2, और इस -2 को इस 2 में प्लस करके फिर /2 कर देंगे। -2 + 2/2, तो 2 - 2 करेंगे तो 0 आ जाएगा। 0/2 मीन 0। इसी तरह से इसका भी आंसर 0 ही आ जाएगा। तो 0, 0 हमारा आंसर बनता है। सी इज़ द राइट चॉइस, राइट ऑप्शन। A triangle having all sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, तो ये तो एक आप वैसे ही याद रख लें कि ऐसी ट्रायंगल जिसकी तमाम साइड्स जो हैं वो लंबाई में लेंथ में इक्वल होती हैं, तो वो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल कहलाती है। अगला क्वेश्चन है जी हमारे पास, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पॉइंट्स। इन पॉइंट्स का डिस्टेंस निकालना है। तो ये भी ऐसे 0 - 1 करेंगे तो उसका स्क्वायर कर लेंगे, और फिर 1 - 0 करेंगे उसका स्क्वायर कर लेंगे, तो ये इसका आंसर भी स्क्वायर रूट 2 ही आ जाएगा। आप करके देखिएगा, इसका आंसर भी स्क्वायर रूट 2 आएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जी हमारे पास, इन ए ट्रायंगल देयर कैन बी ओनली वन राइट एंगल। एक ट्रायंगल जो होती है उसमें 90 का एक ही ज़ाविया हो सकता है, और ऐसी ट्रायंगल को हम राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल भी कहते हैं। तो इसका आंसर जो है वो राइट एंगल हमारा बनता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द पॉइंट्स 2, 2 एंड 0, 0 इज़। तो मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करना है। तो 2 + 0 / 2 कर देंगे, 2 + 0 / 2, तो 2 + 0 is 2, 2 / 2 is 1, 2 + 0 is 2 and over 2, तो 2 से 2 कट जाएगा, तो हमारा आंसर जो है वो 1,1 ये हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा। लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्विकली। आइए दूसरे बाकी क्वेश्चंस की तरफ चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, if 3 points lie on the same line, then these points are called collinear points। अगर 3 पॉइंट एक ही लाइन पर पड़े हुए हैं तो उन्हें कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स कहा जाएगा। इफ़ a 0,2 b -3,0 देन d द डिस्टेंस इज, यानी ये 2 पॉइंट दिए हुए हैं, इनके दरमियान में डिस्टेंस निकालना है, तो तरीक़ाकार वही है -3 -0 स्क्वायर्ड होल स्क्वायर्ड, 0 - 2 होल स्क्वायर्ड। -3 - 0 squared means 9 and 0 - 2 squared means 4. 9 + 4 = 13. So 13 is the answer. Symbol used for congruent is, congruent के लिए कौन सा symbol यूज़ किया जाता है? This is the symbol used for congruent, congruency. If the bisector of an angle of a triangle bisects the sides opposite to it, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. Next question. If in 2 triangles for 1-to-1 correspondence, symbol used is, correspondence के लिए ये symbol यूज़ होता है, this is the symbol for 1-to-1 correspondence. How many end points has a ray? एक ray की कितने end points होते हैं? तो उसका एक ही end point होता है, one end point of a ray. There is only one end point of a ray. Find the value of m from the given congruent triangles. So these are the triangles. Here I can read it for you. If you see the triangle, let me make it clearer for you. Since the triangles are congruent, it means 5m - 3 = 2m + 6. So we take 2m to the left side, 5m - 2m = 3m's, and 6 - 3 will be shifted to the other side and will become +3. 6 + 3 is 9. So 3m is equal to 9 and m is equal to 9/3, which is 3. So our answer is 3. This is the answer. Now we move to the smaller scale again. Okay. Now it's okay. Next question is, two lines intersect each other at dash point. Two lines intersect each other at one point only. Dash points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same line. 3 points. 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same line. Let's move to the other question paper. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent, parallel, both A and B. In a parallelogram, congruent parts are opposite sides and angles. Opposite sides and angles are congruent. Each hypotenuse of a parallelogram divides it into dash congruent triangles. Two congruent triangles. Each hypotenuse of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Next question is, in a dash, opposite sides are congruent. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. One angle of parallelogram is 130. The remaining angles are of measures. The remaining angles are of 50, 50 and 130. The dash of circle is on the right bisectors of each of its chords. The dash of a circle is on the right bisector of each of its chords. So it is center. The center of circle is on the right bisector of each of its chords. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is dash than the other two sides. Longer. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is longer than the other two sides. Bisection means to divide into two equal parts. The bisectors of three sides, the bisectors of three angles of a triangle are concurrent. This one. Bisection of an angle means to draw a ray to divide the given angle into dash parts. Dash equal parts. Two equal parts. In acute angled triangle, three angles are less than 90. Obtuse angled triangle having one angle greater than 90. Greater than 90. The right bisectors of the sides of a dashed triangle intersect each other at the hypotenuse. The right bisectors of the sides of a dashed triangle intersect each other at the hypotenuse. So the answer for this is right angled triangle. Any point on the bisector of dash is equidistant from its arms. Any point on the bisector of an angle is equidistant from its arms. So the answer is angle. Let's move to the next problem. Now we have another paper for you. This is our paper 7. Similar triangles are of the same shape but different in sizes. The distance between a line and a point on it is 0. Congruent triangles are similar. Dash congruent triangles can be made by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Dash congruent triangles can be made by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Four congruent triangles can be made by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. If A ratio B equals C ratio D, then A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion. Dash non-collinear points determine a plane. 3 non-collinear points determine a plane. In a triangle, there can be dash right angles, one right angle. In a triangle, there can be one right angle. Unit of ratio is no unit. Ratio has no unit. How many lines can be drawn through 2 points? One line. Only one line can be drawn through 2 points. The sign of ratio is, this is the sign of ratio. Equality of two ratios is defined as proportion. The hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is dash than the other two sides, is longer than the other two sides. Next question is, a line segment has dash midpoint. A line segment has one midpoint. From a point outside a line, the dash is the shortest distance from the point to the line. Perpendicular. Perpendicular is the shortest distance from the point to the line. If triangle ABC and triangle DEF are two similar triangles, then symbolically they can be written as C. Symbolically they can be written as C is the right option. Let's move to the next paper, and this is our last paper for today, paper 8, and we are discussing unit 15 Pythagoras theorem, 16 theorem related with area, and 17 chapter unit 17 practical geometry, triangles. So these are the units which will be covered in this paper. And this is the last one for today. Let's start right away. Parallelogram on equal bases and having the same or equal altitudes are dash in area, equal in area. A triangular region means the dash of a triangle and its interior, union of triangle and its interior. Right angle means angle of 90 degree. Area of figure 6 3s are 18 centimeter square. Altitudes of a triangle means perpendicular from vertex to the opposite side. Congruent figures have same area. Perpendicular distance to base from its opposite vertex is called altitude. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are A and B, then its area will be A cross B. The median of a triangle cut each other in the ratio 2:1. The point of concurrency of the three altitudes of a triangle is called orthocenter. One angle on the base of an isosceles triangle is 30. What is the measure of its vertical angle? 30 plus 30, 60. 180 minus 60 is 120. Area of a parallelogram is equal to the product of base and height. The diagonal of a parallelogram dash each other, bisect each other. The right bisector of the three sides of a triangle are concurrent. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So that's it. Thanks for watching. do please do like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see each other in the next, inshallah, we'll see each other in the next lecture. Till then, it's goodbye.